This is a quick video to show you how to cheaply do a front fender riser on the Royal Enfield Himalayan motorcycle. Mine's a 2020, and I saw the kits online that aren't that expensive. I think once you include shipping from overseas, it's like 45 or 50 US dollars. But just for 4 bolts and spacers, I just wanted to see if I could go to the hardware store and do it cheaper. So I went to Home Depot or Lowe's, and I got 4 spacers and 4 bolts. Let me show you what they are. The spacers are these 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch by 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch at the end is the length, which is around 13 millimeters. Steel spacers, zinc. These are like $1.20 each, so I got 4 of those. And then the bolts are let's see, socket head cap screw, class 12.9, M6-1.00 times 30. 30 millimeters is the length. So these are, pack of 2 is like $2.50. So had to buy 2 packs of those to get 4 screws. So all in, the hardware was like $10. So that gets me about 13 millimeters more clearance than I had before. I know the fancy $50 one is like 15 millimeters, and you can buy a 25 millimeter as well. They do sell taller spacers at Home Depot. This is a 3/4 inch tall, same spacer for about the same price, but they didn't have any longer bolts. You can find them online. They're the same exact, the bolts are the same exact as this, except it's times 40 millimeters at the end if you want to do a 3/4 inch spacer. So 40 millimeter bolt gets you a 3/4 inch spacer, and that'll give you about 19 millimeters instead of 13 on the riser there. So anyway, pretty quick, cheap, easy solution, 10 bucks, and you got a Fender riser to help that mud get through there a little better. Have fun.